Get excited about the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, and power windows. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.